Hey guys, it's your girl Kat and I'm back with another video. So today's video is brought to you by BangJazz Hair. They were kind enough to send your girl over a wig to review. So they sent your girl over a 13x4 lace frontal. It's in the texture deep wave and it's in 26 inches in length. Now I love this wig. It is bomb. Definitely check out the description box if you would like to see the direct link to this video, and it'll send you right to their Amazon storefront. Now, side note, I know that the part is definitely off. It is crooked. I know, but I was definitely not re-recording this video since it's already long overdue. I was supposed to have been posted this video, and it was in the wee hours in the morning, so I was pretty much over it. However, it does not take away from the fact that this wig is absolutely bomb and I definitely rock with it, okay? So comment in the section box below if you would like to go ahead and communicate with girl, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, as well as subscribe if you are not subscribed to your girl's channel. So without further ado, enjoy the rest of this video and stay tuned for my next upload. Later.
I didn't wanna say what they told me. You said without me you couldn't make it through the day that I shine. Maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna change something that's so good, but my love was all it took. You need to give it up. Had about enough. It's not what you see. Boy, it's mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Even close to me. Oh, it's mine. What you do, the things you do, you keep on acting like a fool. You need to know it's me, not you. And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you wanna say, what we have and you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. When will you get the picture? You're the best in the future. Get away, it's my time to shine. If you didn't know, the boy is mine.
Got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Doesn't know I love them all, to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl.
Makes you think that he wants you, and I'm the one that brought him to the special places in my heart. He was my lover from the start. No, you need to give it up. About enough, it's not hard to see. The boy is mine. Seems to be confused. He belongs to me. The boy is mine. Not yours, but mine. Not yours, but mine. Not yours. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. The boy is mine.
But you should come through tonight. I'm chillin' on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Hit me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. the west side. Boo, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I do on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. Yeah.
Looking at you cry, going crazy.